Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my husband's favorite grooming accessory, his head shaver from Freebird. It comes in this nifty little box that we still use for storage. It's so easy to put together. You just click the blades in place and you're good to go. It also will charge pretty fast and the charge lasts a long time. My husband loves how well it fits in his hand. It's very comfortable to hold, and it does a great job at shaving his head without cutting or nicking his skin. It also comes with a few other accessories like an ears and nose trimmer, which is super convenient to have as well. Cleaning the head shaver is also really easy. You just pop up each blade and empty the hair that has accumulated in there. You can rinse it out and let it dry, and you're good to go for the next one. Another reason why my husband loves a shaver is because it's just a very quick and efficient way to shave your head, especially when you're in a hurry and don't have much time. So if you're in the market for a head shaver, definitely check out Freebird. They have really great quality products and great customer service, and that's my point of view.